Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Moffrey. So in today's video I want to show you or share something that is very important. If you've been following my videos, I have done similar video, but that one was for beginners. It was beginner friendly. Today I want to do a chart analysis that is more advanced. And if you have not watched that video, I will put a link. You can go follow it. It's called How Do You Analyze Your Forex Chart? So at least begin with that video if you are new, and then after you master what I said on that video, you can now jump in this video, and maybe you will upgrade your chart analysis. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get down into the video. Before I forget, I get this question. So many people are asking me which broker I use. I use Paperstone. So this is how Paperstone looks like. And I use Paperstone broker. So what you need is that you just need to go to in the description box below. You will find a link with paperstone.com. Just click the link and you'll go to the Paperstone website. Go and create an account. The best thing with Paperstone, I've used them for months now and they are good. I would recommend them because they have so many transaction methods such as PayPal, they have M-Pesa, they have bank, they have Visa, they have wire transfer. So I would prefer a broker who the payment method is not a hassle. More so when you're in Kenya, and we like using M-Pesa. M-Pesa is instant, their withdrawal is instant. So I would highly recommend Paperstone broker. So the link will be below my description box below. If you want to check them out, you can click follow the link, register with them, and start trading. So guys, without wasting any time, let's get down into the video. So we have said this is advanced. We have said this is advanced chart analysis. I will repeat again. If you have not watched the video that I did on chart breakdown on how to analyze your forex chart for just beginner friendly, kindly there's that video. Actually, I'll put the link in description box. Watch that video before you watch this one. So with time, I've come to realize that if you want to be sure with your trades, you need to up your game on chart analysis. And today we want to analyze GBP JPY. The first thing that we need to start with is monthly analysis. So on the time frame bar, you just choose the monthly and monthly time. You highlight it because sometimes it's not highlighted. Just highlight it to add to your favorite. Then take weekly, then daily, then 4 hours, and maybe 30 minutes. But we will focus on 4 time frames. That is monthly, weekly, daily, and 4 hours. So let's go to our monthly chart. GBP JPY, our monthly chart. So this is what we see. So what is the first thing that you do when you open your monthly chart? I know many people don't want higher time frame because they think you'll spend a lot of time waiting for position, waiting for opportunities. But let me tell you, if you have been failing or you have been losing in this market, maybe your time frame is the problem. Maybe you're using 1 minute, 5 minutes that has a lot of noise. Kindly try to follow this video, try to change your time frame, and come back, comment down below and tell me if there's a difference in your trading journey. So the first thing that you need to do is to highlight both support and resistance. We have 2 positions. We have this is our support where the market has gone lowest, and then we have the second resistance where the market has gone the highest. Now you have to position. At least you have started to analyze your chart. Remember guys, this is advanced video. So when I say resistance, I don't need to explain what is resistance because like I've said, you have to watch my first video where I break down everything. So when I say resistance, because you're advanced, I know already you know what I mean. So this is our resistance and this is our support. So guys, after you get those two positions, you start asking yourself, what kind of a market is this? Who is in control? What else can you see? What else can you identify? Can you identify resistance in the middle of the chart or the, yeah, because as you can see, when we have spotted our resistance and below our support, now we have this market or price in this position, in this box. So can we at least identify another resistance or another support? Of course we can do that. So we can come here, you can see we have another resistance where the market stopped, and then we have another support. So at least you have those four positions, and they are very, very important to know what the market is telling you. The market communicates, and it's you to know how does it communicate. So after you have identified at least two resistance, two support, and this is on monthly time frame, the next thing that you do is you take your trend line. We want to spot the key places where the market stopped, because when the market stops on monthly monthly time frame, it means that key place or key zone is very, very important. So all we do, we take our trend line, we mark the first place the market stopped. You can see this is our highest place. We cannot go to this one because this one shoots above this previous high. So we'll start with our last high, and then we come and connect it to our second high, and then we try to connect it to our third high, like that. So you can see still you are trying to identify the key position. You can know a certain day. Let me just pick this, we call it the highlight. You can see the market was reacting on this zone. So whoever had marked this on monthly time frame around the month of June, they were able to get a sell position. So it is very easy to identify zones that are very important in the chart. Whoever marked this, they knew automatically there will be a reaction. And as you can see, let me just zoom it. You can see that's what happens. There's a reaction here. So we can just put that as our target place. So now you have three zones. So as long as the market has not broken this, we cannot call this an uptrend yet on monthly time frame. It is on a zone, it is on a channel. That's what I mean. So this market, it was trending down. You can see it is creating. What does it create? Can you identify? Can I give you 1 minute to try to identify what this market is creating? We had a high here, and then the high did not break our previous high. So it created a low high, meaning the sellers are in control. And then these sellers, they never broke this low, because this is our high, this is our low. If you remember on the previous video that I told you, I really emphasized on high highs and high lows, and low lows and low highs. So this being our high and this being the lowest of the market, the sellers were supposed to come this way and break that channel. Let me just highlight that to a bright color. So they were supposed to come and break this low, but guess what? They didn't break the low. And that's why the market is in the channel. So unless the market moves outside the channel, we cannot clearly say it is an uptrend or a downtrend. But at the moment, we can see low highs are being created, giving sellers more control over the market. So again, after you have marked that, I don't think there's something else we need to identify on monthly time frame. So after you have identified the two resistance, let me repeat, you identify the two supports, and then you mark your trend line, your key area. You can go to weekly time frame. Remember, I'm just showing you how you work with your time frame. You can go to weekly time frame, And the best thing with weekly time frame, we will be able to see what the market is doing. You can see for quite a while the market was ranging on this zone. Let me just show you. It was ranging on this channel. The market was really on this channel for quite a while, and then it broke here. But finding our zone that we have marked with our trend line, the market is starting to come down. So in weekly time frame, we still have sellers are still in control. So if you're wondering how do I identify the trend, how do I identify the strongest trend, what should I do, this is what you do. You just go to monthly, again you go to weekly, and then now you'll be able to see what's happening. You can see the market is on a channel. When it's on a channel, we just want to know what has been broken. And as you can see, the buyers here, they were almost getting the market reached that place, and that's when it reacted. So that's what I'm saying. Until it breaks this zone, this trend line, that we cannot say this is a bullish market. It is a bearish that is on a channel. Okay guys, this is another zone. Let me just create this zone for you. I call them key zones. So this is a zone for sellers, and we can see for sure that they have really tried for some times now, but they were unable. So the first touch is here. So what you do is try to understand what is really happening. So there's the first touch, and remember this is a weekly market. Second touch, that touch, and then the market is going up, and then it has found another resistance, because trend line works as resistance. And now the market is going down according to weekly time frame. So after you get that, so for the weekly time frame, we are able to identify this zone. Remember, on monthly we could not identify this zone because monthly it doesn't give us more details. So let's go to daily time frame. So the daily time frame, again at the trend line, it has created another channel. And the best thing with the daily time frame, remember what we had said, it's our resistance. Remember this resistance, now it is acting as support. So we have another zone here. So remember, when we were putting this on the monthly, we didn't know even what to expect. Now we can see clearly on daily chart, the market is on this channel, and then it's like the sellers are not able to break this channel or the trend line. So on the daily, the market now is showing us what to expect. Now for your final analysis, guys, it's 4 hours. Now we have all that information. We know the market is on a channel. All we are waiting is to see, can sellers break this channel of 149.20, or will they break the channel of 154? Where was the last high? 153.30. So where will the market eventually go? So when you come to 4 hours, now you have a clear way. I'll just just rub this, just to delete that, because again it's so magnified. So you can see very well, we have the channel is still there. We have this channel, and we are not, as long as it has not broken this channel, we would want to know where will it go next. But because it has not broken that channel, you see, it has not broken that channel. Now this is where you magnify to see everything. And in a 4 hours chart, that's when you see double bottom, double top, you see head and shoulder, all these things, all these patterns. I'll be doing a video shortly after this video. So on your 4 hour chart, that's when you'll notice what is happening. The market, now I can show you very clearly, because remember on monthly we could hardly see. The market started at this level. This is where the market started. here at this zone. So to go down after it hit our trend line, the market started there, and you can see the buyers are creating lower highs, again lower highs, and here they created a double top. So guys, if you don't know about the patterns, you need to pay attention. I'll be doing these patterns videos to show you what you look when you have a double top or a double bottom. So this one, it has created a double top. So after it created a double top, and then it continued to go down. I always say we don't predict, but we react. So the person who saw this possible double bottom actually had said this might be a possible double bottom, but I didn't want to get into a buy because, again, in this trend, the structure remains sell as long as the sellers have created these low lows. You see, the sellers have created these low lows. So this buy, it might be a retest of this zone. So guys, I don't want to make this video long. I just want to show you how you analyze your charts, and this is an advanced mode. I'll be doing I think 4 patterns, or if not 5. I'll be doing head and shoulder. I'll be doing double top, how to identify double top, how to identify double bottom, because again, this is a double top. Actually, it's a triple, like 1 2 3. It's a triple top, and then a double bottom. How do I identify head and shoulder? How do I identify all these patterns? I'll be doing those videos shortly. So if you're interested, comment down below and tell me you can't wait. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye. Love you.